everyone, Marissa Kobe here with APM's Amazon Q&A video. Each month we get a ton of questions regarding sourcing and manufacturing products. How do you know if the supplier is scamming you? What MOQ is reasonable when just starting out? These are all valid worries when it comes to sourcing any product, whether your manufacturer is domestic or international. So to help, we turned to our top expert on sourcing, Mark Wong, and asked him to outline the biggest pros and cons for working with a Chinese supplier. His top pros were resources, logistics, scalability, and quality selection. China has been the go-to for sourcing and manufacturing for over 2 decades. Additionally, companies around the world have invested heavily into China because of its easy access to raw materials and components, making its accessibility to resources virtually limitless. Now, because China is a leader in sourcing and manufacturing, airlines and shipping companies all compete to offer the most efficient and cheapest services to cash in on the vast number of merchants sourcing from China. This benefits you by giving you cheaper and better shipping services than anywhere else. Beyond the initial shipping costs, you also have to take into account the long-term deliverability of products or sources for your business. When you build a relationship with your supplier and are able to take advantage of the shipping efficiencies China can offer, you're able to have a little more control over restocking your inventory as well. The biggest concern consumers have regarding China tends to be about quality of products. And while you can find lower quality products in China, also think of companies such as Apple, BMW, and Mercedes. A lot of their products are made in China and maintain the highest quality for their customers. Sourcing lower quality products oftentimes comes down to you, the buyer, knowing a realistic cost for the type of quality you are looking for. With all that said, there are some difficulties to consider when thinking about sourcing from China. These are namely setting expectations, project management and communication, and due diligence. The bottom line with sourcing anywhere is that great quality products come at higher costs. That's true for China too. So decide what costs and quality you can accept as a business. You also have to set up appropriate checkpoints when dealing with any manufacturer. Go through the process to ensure you are actually getting what you need, otherwise poor communication can cost you a lot of money. China has a very specific set of verification processes you need to go through to ensure you are working with a legitimate supplier, as well as gaining the protection of the Chinese legal system. China is not a Western culture, so you can't just assume your system of asking for references or other standard due diligence requests are actually standard for China. That sums up this month's Amazon Q&A. If you'd like to know more about sourcing from China, check out Mark Wong's course, The Insider Blueprint to Sourcing from China, inside the Amazing.com membership. Thanks for watching.